Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have what matters, a device with Wi-Fi or mobile data and the latest Capcut. First, open your device settings and ensure background data is allowed for Capcut. This prevents the app from disconnecting when idle. Once done, launch Capcut and sign in or continue as guest. Make sure the app asks for storage and network permissions. Grant them so uploads and downloads proceed. This immediate start avoids needless retries and prepares the app to access online assets and cloud features right away. Now inside Capcut, begin a new project to kick off media checks and network calls. Tap Upload or Media Library so the app fetches thumbnails and cloud items. This forces an internet handshake. Next, sign into your Capcut account to enable cloud sync and template download. This is how shared assets and backups arrive automatically. Make sure Auto Download or Wi-Fi only options are set per your preference, and examine in app settings for proxy or VPN toggles that might block content. Adjust them if needed. Complete the process by importing an online template or exporting a short clip to verify connectivity. Successful transfers confirm everything is live. If transfers fail, first toggle airplane mode briefly and reconnect to force a fresh network session, then try again. Also check VPN, proxy, or firewall settings that could block Capcut traffic. Disabling them temporarily often resolves issues. If problems persist, clear Capcut cache in your device settings and restart the app. This removes stale tokens and typically.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.